Hello, my friends. Have you ever wondered how long it would take 10 people to harvest 50 million tons of vegetables without the help of machines? Agriculture is experiencing the fourth revolution with the breakthrough of automation technology. Right now, join us to explore modern lines and machines that harvest millions of tons of vegetable in today's video. Let's start our journey with the green onion harvesters. Behold the mighty Nipro NK10, a powerhouse equipped to handle vast quantities of onions with finesse. Not only does it boast a powerful motor, but its clever design also prioritizes user comfort, sparing operators from fatigue during operation and movement. Get ready to witness efficiency and innovation in action. Once harvested, green onions make their way to the factory for trimming, processing, and packaging. This versatile vegetable is a staple in cuisines worldwide, adding not only a burst of flavor and vibrant color to dishes, but also packing a punch of health benefits. Rich in fiber, green onions promote digestive health, aid in weight loss, and lower the risk of cardiovascular disease. Moreover, their flavonoid compounds boast antioxidant properties, offering protection against cancer and bolstering the immune system. Technology in agriculture is developing rapidly to meet modern needs. This advanced green onion harvester simplifies the entire process, from plucking onions to trimming excess leaves, all in one efficient device. It's more transformational for farmers, significantly reducing harvest time and optimizing yield. Ever wondered how modern farmers manage to harvest a staggering 50 million tons of fennel? Enter Verbruggen Mech, a leading company specializing in agricultural machinery solutions, including their cutting-edge fennel harvest line. These innovative harvesters are meticulously designed to optimize the harvesting and packaging of fennel vegetables. Once harvested and trimmed, the fennel plants are seamlessly transported along a conveyor belt for thorough cleaning and packaging. It's a testament to the ingenuity driving efficiency in modern agriculture. Discover the Venkelruia machine, a game-changer in fennel harvesting. This specialized harvester handles all stages effortlessly, from cutting and grading to removing small leaves and tubers. With its cutting-edge components and efficient operation, it's revolutionizing fennel vegetable production, especially in labor-short regions like Europe. Say goodbye to manual labor and hello to increased productivity. Introducing the Bees Aluminum Product Vector Broccoli Harvesting Conveyor Belt, a state-of-the-art solution for modern agriculture. This innovative conveyor system can rotate and change direction, positioned at the center of 4 harvest boxes for quick and efficient harvesting. With harvest conveyors up to 14 meters long, it's perfect for fields with fixed paths, streamlining operations and maximizing productivity. Experience top-notch quality with specialized production lines, designed to deliver premium vegetables to consumers. From chilling to grading, each broccoli is handled according to customer specifications. The automatic broccoli packaging line is a key asset in large production facilities, boosting productivity and slashing labor costs. It's revolutionizing vegetable packaging with efficiency and precision. This line is pivotal in safeguarding the quality of the end product. Harvesting and packaging broccoli on-site preserves the nutritional profile and value. Implementing these intelligent practices not only boosts yields and cuts costs for broccoli growers, but also minimizes post-harvest losses and transportation expenses. Behold, the cabbage harvest line from Carmona Benito, epitome of modern and innovation in agriculture. This cutting-edge equipment is armed with advanced technologies, enabling swift and efficient cabbage harvesting. Comprising cutting-edge components for cutting, separating, transporting, and arranging cabbage post-harvest. This line offers unparalleled flexibility and cost-effectiveness. Carmona Benito's design prioritizes both efficiency and quality, ensuring an optimal harvest every time. If you admire the convenience of agricultural equipment, please comment number 1. Ever seen a fully automatic broccoli harvester like the RoboVeg RV1? Designed by the British company G's Fresh, this cutting-edge machine can harvest up to 2,400 broccoli an hour, offering a solution to the labour shortage in the UK farming industry. Equipped with sensors and a sophisticated computer system, it gathers data on the location, size, and shape of each broccoli in the field. This allows the machine to automatically adjust its harvesters for quick and precise harvesting. In contemporary agriculture, harvesters have emerged as crucial tools for enhancing productivity and efficiency. By automating the harvesting process, machines not only save time, but also alleviate the physical strain on workers, replacing manual labor with streamlined operations. Can you imagine a machine harvesting 7 tons of spinach every hour? The Spinazi Ruia Verbruggen mechanism does just that, efficiently harvesting spinach from the soil and transporting it on a conveyor belt. From there, the vegetables go through a seamless soil separation and automatic packaging process right on the machine itself. It's a miracle of modern agriculture. Introducing the Wortel Ruia, a cutting-edge marvel in agriculture. This innovative equipment boasts adjustable cutting heights, ensuring only carrots are harvested, thus minimizing losses and waste during production. Equipped with a dedicated carrot collection system, it efficiently gathers and deposits carrots into drawers for immediate packaging. Truly a game changer, and one of the coolest tools I've ever witnessed. Step into the showcase of cutting-edge machines. Introducing the MKC40R, the latest vegetable harvesting innovation from Ploger, Netherlands' harvesting machinery expert. This impressive equipment is designed to effortlessly harvest leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, and herbs such as coriander. With its striking yellow design and 4-class TerraTrack tracks, the MKC40R boasts a remarkable width of 6 meters. Equipped with a high-speed reciprocating knife, it swiftly and efficiently cuts through vegetables. Once harvested, the plants are swiftly transferred into containers using a powerful fan, ready for transport to the factory via lifting hooks trailers. With an impressive harvest rate of up to 4.5 tons per hour, the MKC40R is the ultimate choice for large-scale farms. Meet the Nexat 56-meter sprayer, a modern agricultural powerhouse. With 1100 horsepower and a 56-meter width, it efficiently irrigates and sprays pesticides. Equipped with an electronic injection system and GPS, it ensures precise, uniform spraying, enhancing crop protection and productivity. Embark on a journey to a sprawling red cabbage farm in the Netherlands. As September rolls in, signaling the start of the red cabbage harvest, modern machinery takes center stage. Among the impressive array of tools is the Asa Lift Reaper, a true marvel in agricultural innovation. Functioning as a mobile cabbage factory, the Asa lift harvester excels in harvesting, picking and storing this delicate crop with unparalleled efficiency. Operated by a team of 2, it ensures precise cutting and swift delivery to storage boxes, guaranteeing fresh vegetables year-round. With its ability to streamline harvesting, reduce labor, and boost productivity, this remarkable machine has become an indispensable asset in the farming industry.